Today I'm making Venetian blinds, so let me show you what I'm doing. Now these blinds here are the Venetian blinds that I'm working on. They're made of wood slats, and upstairs there I've kind of got these wood grain ones, and a few of them are kind of like the dogs jumped on them and kind of broken that piece there, whoops. So these blinds are really expensive and fiddly to work on, so let's just laser cut some. And I'm really lucky because if you look in the laser cutter here, they only just fit in if I put them diagonal. And I've cut what I call I don't know if it's a proper name, but I've cut a dog bone join here. And what that does is it lets me thread the string through there, so I don't have to pull the blind apart when I do it. And once the string is threaded through, then I just go and grab this piece here and glue it in, just poke it in there and give it a push. And look at that, it's so beautiful. And I know that these are all beautifully varnished, but when you actually put one of these into the mix of a blind, you just don't actually notice it. Anyway, this should keep the wife happy, I hope. So this blind is now repaired, and you can't really see where the repair is. If you look closely, you can see that these bottom two have been done. This one here has been done. You can see the nice dog bone join. But when you stand back and actually put the blind into its normal position, it's kind of invisible. And that saves a lot of money and time to go and get new blinds. Did you eat the Venetian blinds? Did you? Did you eat the Venetian blinds? Did you eat the Venetian blinds? Give me it. No more eating the Venetian blinds. Hey.